physical and chemical changes. Harry and his friends are playing with paper planes in class. Suddenly, the teacher enters the class. She sees the torn papers but does not get angry.
Oh, my class has undergone such a wonderful physical change.
Ma'am, what is a physical change?
Hold on, we are going to learn about it. This term is really easy. Physical change is a change in which no new substance is formed, but physical properties such as shape, size, state of matter, taste, and color change. These changes are mostly reversible. Here, there is no change in the chemical composition. Let us understand this better with an experiment. Get the papers you all tore and come here. Here we have a piece of paper which you all use to play as a paper plane. This is one piece of paper. As I tear it into two pieces of paper, we have two pieces of paper with different sizes and shapes. This is an example of a physical change.
Ma'am, shall we dispose the torn papers in the dustbin?
Why do you have to dispose them while you can burn them?
Burn them!
Do you know what happens to paper when you burn it?
Yes, ma'am, it turns to ash.
Very good, but do you know what kind of change it is? Alright, this is a chemical change. A chemical change is a change in which a new product is formed. Few characteristics of chemical changes are change in color, change in odor, evolution of gas, production of heat and light, and production of sound. These changes are mostly irreversible. Here, there is a change in the chemical composition. Although burning of paper is harmful to the environment, we are going to burn them so that we can understand chemical changes better. For this, we will have to go out to the ground. Here I have the same paper I tore and a lit candle. As I place the flame on the paper, it starts to burn and change to ash. This is said to be a chemical change because there is a change in color, change in odor, and a production of gas. Now we can see that the whole piece of paper has turned to ash. Let us classify few physical and chemical changes. Classifying physical and chemical changes. Rotting of apple, melting of ice, lightning, turning milk to curd, breaking a pencil, chopping, slicing bread and cooking. Rotting of apple comes under chemical changes as there is change of color. This is also known as the browning of cut apples. Melting of ice is a physical change as the chemical composition of water and ice remains the same, but the physical property, that is state of matter, changes. Lightning is a chemical change as there is production of heat and light as well as sound. Turning milk to curd is a chemical change as the chemical composition of milk and curd is different. Breaking a pencil is a physical change as the composition remains the same, that is wood, but the length of the pencil changes. Chopping is a physical change. Chopping of fruits, vegetables or wood is a physical change because the size and the shape changes but the composition remains the same. Slicing bread is a physical change because the composition of the bread remains the same whereas the length of each slice differs. Cooking is a chemical change as there is change in color, evolution of gas, production of heat and light, and change in odor. Let's summarize by comparing physical and chemical changes. Physical changes. A change in which no new substance is formed. These are mostly reversible. Physical properties such as shape, size, state of matter, taste, and color change. There is no change in the chemical composition. Chemical changes. A change in which a new substance is formed. These are mostly irreversible. Few characteristics of chemical changes are change in color, change in odor, evolution of gas, production of heat and light, and production of sound. There is a change in the chemical composition here. Hope you all understood physical and chemical changes better. If so, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.